In this tutorial, I'll show you how to watch ESPN Zone content so you can enjoy quick sports highlights and analysis. Let's get started. ESPN Zone is a feature that provides short, engaging sports clips and highlights. To access it, open the ESPN app or visit the ESPN website and log into your account. If you don't already have an ESPN subscription, you may need to sign up for ESPN Plus or a package like Hulu plus Live TV, which includes ESPN. Once logged in, navigate to the Videos or Highlights section, where ESPN Zone content is typically available. These clips include game recaps, player interviews, and trending sports moments designed for quick viewing. If ESPN Zone isn't explicitly listed, search for specific sports, teams, or events to find condensed highlights. For live sports coverage, tune in to ESPN channels through Hulu plus Live TV or another streaming service that offers ESPN. For offline viewing, download eligible ESPN Plus content while connected to Wi-Fi and access it later in the Downloads section. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching and enjoy ESPN Zone content.